Today, we are excited to bring you some tools. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. The Riken M1 Calibre. The Riken M1 Calibre is a digital measuring tool designed for precise and efficient material measurement. It easily attaches to miter, chop, and bandsaws, providing instant, real-time measurements on its digital display. Ideal for woodworkers and contractors, it eliminates the need for tape measures, reducing errors and saving time. With Bluetooth connectivity and app integration, it enhances workflow efficiency, making cutting tasks faster and more accurate. The Gongmu TC. The Gongmu TC belt sander adapter converts an angle grinder into a powerful belt sander, offering versatility for grinding, sanding, and polishing tasks. Made from durable materials, it ensures stability and precision in metalworking, woodworking, and DIY projects. Its compact design allows for easy installation and use, making it a cost-effective solution for professionals and hobbyists. With adjustable angles and smooth operation, it enhances efficiency and surface finishing quality. Skilsaw SBT 5511. The Skilsaw SBT 55-11 is a high-performance 8-inch worm drive saw designed for precise and powerful cutting, especially for fiber cement materials. Engineered with Skilsaw's legendary worm drive gearing, it delivers exceptional torque and durability. The included dust collection system keeps the workspace clean, while the specialized fiber cement blade ensures smooth, accurate cuts. Ideal for professionals, it offers reliability, efficiency, and reduced user fatigue for demanding cutting tasks. Klein Tools Fan. Klein Tools offers durable job site fans designed for tough work environments. These fans are compact, portable, and powered by either rechargeable batteries or AC adapters, ensuring versatility. With multiple speed settings and 360-degree rotation, they provide efficient airflow in hot conditions. Built with rugged construction, they withstand harsh job site conditions. Ideal for electricians, contractors, and DIYers. Klein Tools fans keep workspaces cool and comfortable for extended periods. Oregon CS 1500. The Oregon CS 1500 is a powerful 18-inch electric chainsaw featuring a built-in PowerSharp self-sharpening system for continuous cutting efficiency. With a 15-amp motor, it delivers instant startup and reliable performance without the need for gas. The tool-free chain tensioning allows for quick adjustments, while the low-noise operation makes it ideal for residential use. Designed for convenience and durability, the CS 1500 is perfect for homeowners and professionals tackling cutting tasks effortlessly. Minova Foam Cutter. The Minova Foam Cutter is a precision tool designed for cutting foam, styrofoam, and similar materials with ease. Featuring a heated wire or blade, it ensures clean, smooth, and precise cuts without mess or jagged edges. Lightweight and ergonomic, it provides comfortable handling for extended use. Ideal for DIY projects, model making, and installation work, the Minova Foam Cutter is a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Tracer Prescribe. The Tracer Prescribe is a versatile scribing tool designed for precision marking and measuring. It features an adjustable pencil holder, a built-in tape guide, and a smooth roller wheel for effortless scribing along edges and contours. Ideal for carpenters, joiners, and DIY enthusiasts, it allows for accurate parallel marking on various surfaces. Compact and easy to use, the Prescribe enhances efficiency in woodworking, tiling, and construction projects. Stanley Table Saw. The Stanley Table Saw is a powerful and reliable cutting tool designed for precision and efficiency in woodworking. Built with a high-torque motor, it delivers smooth and accurate cuts through various materials. Featuring an adjustable fence, bevel capacity, and safety guards, it ensures precision and user protection. Ideal for professionals and DIYers, its sturdy construction and portable design make it perfect for workshops and job sites. Laser Level Line Tool. A laser level line tool is a precision instrument used for accurate leveling, alignment, and measurement in construction and DIY projects. It projects straight horizontal, vertical, or cross lines onto surfaces, ensuring precise positioning for tasks like installing tiles, shelves, or framing. Featuring self-leveling technology, multiple mounting options, and varying range capabilities, it enhances efficiency and accuracy. Ideal for professionals and homeowners, it simplifies complex alignment tasks with ease. Adventure Mate. Adventure Mate is a versatile, multifunctional outdoor tool designed for adventurers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It combines several essential tools into one compact design, including a hatchet, shovel, rake, saw, knife, and bottle opener, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Built with durable, high-quality materials, it ensures reliability in harsh environments. Its innovative design makes it easy to carry and store, offering convenience and efficiency for camping, hiking, and survival situations. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.